You're full of Tribodyne. I don't want that dirty rag back. I'm gonna grab a clean one. Look at that. It's like brand new almost. Where'd you get that green one from?
Well, it's not as oily as that one is.
This one? This is my new one for over here.
I got oil on my water can.
That's, I shouldn't. That means I gotta use my oil one. I'm back to using my rag again. Okay.
Okay, where are we at?
Your hands clean?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't have that camera yet. Okay, this is the lifter on the exhaust. So it goes up and down, but if you look at it right now, the piston is below the damn snap ring.
So it didn't come all the way back up.
So it's not coming up. So that piston's sticking in the bore. Same problem we had on the other lifter a while back. But that did work before, so I don't know why it doesn't work now.
That was the exhaust one, huh?
So this is the lifter block. We're going to see if these holes go all the way through or not. I don't know how these holes go through, so let's figure out the angles that they use or not.
They go weird.
So we're going to give ourselves a small drill right here. And we're going to see how they drill these. Because somehow that thing has to come in from some angle. Because I don't see a hole in the side. Oh, there's a hole right there. That's how they drill it, see?
Yep.
Goes right through that. Yep, see the hole right there?
Mm-hmm.
So,
And it goes through the other side through the same hole? The
yeah,
other
so
hole?
I can't check it with this.
You blow some air through it and see what happens.
Well, it'd be hard to blow it through it because of that angle too, but it doesn't mean you can't check things.
Yeah. Ah.
So, see the chingus going through?
Yep.
Nice and loose.
No debris on there or nothing?
Geez, what a shocker, there's nothing in the hole. See, that's how they drill the hole all the way over here too. They go all the way through. See, they go right through here like that, all the way through over to here. They catch this hole.
You go, really?
So that's how they do it.
Wow.
Well, you can see the whole feeder hole.
Yeah.
See, there's another hole right there. See the hole? See it down in there?
Yeah.
So that's how it goes straight through. Alright, so we know there's no blockage there, which I didn't think there was anyway.
Is that big hunk of Tribodyne stuff on there?
A hunk of Tribodyne. You can't have a hunk of Tribodyne. You can have a puddle.
It looks like a hump, like the black shit. Cells in the bottom of the can. See? There's that rubber. That's Tribodyne.
That's muck.
That's Tribodyne.
Muck.
Ain't blue.
Blue muck. That'd be called blue grease. Remember that grease stuff we had?
All right.
Blame my ball on that. What's that for? Remember that stuff in the filter? You know where that came from?
Yep.
Where'd it come from?
The lifter.
It came from this lifter block.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the blue muck out of there. You know why it's blue? This container up here has blue grease in it. Okay. That actually does blow through. Can you do that? Okay. Blows through also. And we found out the gasket only goes one way out of the 8 ways of doing it.
Correct.
So it had to be correct. You cannot put it in wrong because the ball holes do not line up.
Oil hole.
You would have to. Everything. You would have to destroy the gasket to put it in wrong, and this gasket has not been destroyed.
The real thin side has to go against the case there, and if it doesn't in that position, you ain't gonna get it.
It'd be hard to get in, yes. So we know that was correct. Okay, we know this is unplugged. So that's about all we need to know about that one. It is what it is. Okay, now that takes care of that problem. What's our new problem?
I don't know yet.
Why is that piston stuck?
Oh.
So you go up and down?
Yeah. Oil's coming out a little bit on the
It's
side.
not pumping. And see it's
not returning all the way.
And see it's not coming up. See how the snap ring just spins around in a circle? So the piston's not coming up.
That's the one we rebuilt?
That's the new one.
That's the exhaust.
This is the new one. Now, we did take it apart and look at it. If you bring back the video, you can see it.
Yeah.
And I think that's the spring, but I'm not 100% sure.
That's what I was thinking. That's the one you.
What's that? Blue muck.
Not even blue, it's black.
Black. Oh, it's black now. Was it blue? Now it's black. See, that's when we didn't have to modify the grinder because it's there's enough already. You need my magnet in the back.
The big one or the little one?
The little one.
It's right there on the press. This thing is right here.
Trying to magnify my press.
Ooh, it sounded crunchy, didn't it?
So it's not stuck. So the piston doesn't stick. I think what's happening is that I stretched that spring and it's causing issues. Stole all my tools.
Just never put them back.
Right. They dicked with them too, they're different. Doesn't look. Yeah, that's not much more than stock.
No. If you stretched it, it collapsed back to how it was.
No, it's slightly longer than it was. I think. I looked at some of these right now, I don't remember. Okay, that's where's the other one at? Crane. It's this one. The other one doesn't work.
Here, go on tripod for a minute. Get used to this one.
This one goes up and down and back and forth. Oh, the suction on that one. Hell of a suction behind that thing. Definitely did not want to come out. That spring has definitely been stretched. All right, some gooey fingers now. So here's the one that's been stretched a bunch. So you see how that one's been stretched way more than the other one. So that's the one that's been stretched. That one there, I think I stretched that one lightly, but I don't remember. I know I stretched the S&S one. And it was pulling a hell of a vacuum.
Did you check it?
It didn't want to come out.
Oh.
So this one didn't want to come out, but it popped up and down the clip, no problem. Now this one here is the one that didn't come up to the clip. So I took everything out of there. There's nothing holding that in there now. Still use a magnet on it. I like that. Vacuum lock. Or something. No, there's no
you get a
vacuum.
hook in there, your little probe thing, and hook it on where the spring goes? No, that's not where the spring goes.
Yeah, I don't know why it's stuck in there right now.
Because it's tight bore.
It's not vacuum locked.
Well, that was going in the trash pile, folks.
This is the new one. How come that's stuck in there?
Damn.
They pushed right in. Why is it not coming out? That's weird. Alright.
Air?
Yep. Pressure.
See, I'm thinking today.
Well, it had a little air hole in it, but I don't know why it wouldn't come out on its own. That's weird. Now this is the one that was...
Yeah, up there.
This is the new one. This is the one that was sticking. Why is it sticking? That's what I don't understand. In that position it's stuck. This way it was going back and forth. Stuck again. So this was a little tight in this bore. For whatever reason. Relatively dry now. Like the Chevy on opposite. Of course, I'm a little wetter than what else. Stuff's sticky. Definitely has little tight spots you can feel.
You get cocked a little bit, or
You come out of it too far.
really not enough room for it to cock, huh?
You see where I'm at? I'm over the
Yeah.
end too.
Yep.
It's tight at the very bottom.
Oh, isn't there more that goes on the bottom too, though? The spring thing? The ball? It's not supposed to go down that far, is it?
Well, you got the
that
spring.
tip in
The
the-
spring pushes it back up. But why was it sticking, not coming up? It wasn't overcoming all the tension. I don't understand that. So the body's a little tight, causing some issues. This one here seems to be okay.
Which one was that? The one that was in it?
This is the original one. This is the second one. Well, I still understand why it's not working. All of the stuff here should be working. Now you got the vacuum tester, you can test the ball, but it's hard to believe the ball is leaking. It's always possible it is. So if I clean all this stuff up and we do a vacuum test, we will know. That's all we can do. So far we have no reason why this isn't working. So. damaged. All right. Wet. Okay, how's this vacuum thing work? A mighty vac. Ooh.
I take the backing thing off first, but
V8000.
yeah, there's the instructions.
You got instructions?
Now tip it over and hold, that thing will come off. There you go.
Where's the rubber tip?
There's all different kinds of sizes tips in there
15-inch vacuum.
so far. 1 pound.
The rubber tips?
Whole bunch of the other thing there too.
What the hell is that thing? It's plastic.
They're all plastic.
Plastic, plastic,
No
plastic.
rubber?
No rubber.
We put a hose on it then.
You got a hose?
Right there.
Where?
Got a piece of hose right there. 2 right here.
That's plastic.
2 right there.
It's
One.
plastic, it's not rubber. Plastic doesn't seal like rubber does.
This is plastic.
Yep, it's all plastic.
Alright.
No rubber.
Got any rubber to fit on it?
Fresh out of rubber today, sir.
The fuel line?
Okay, we're gonna find some rubber hose. We'll be back.